Looking for a mechanical keyboard that delivers sharp tactile feedback and lightning-fast responsiveness? The ROCCAT Titan Switch mechanical keyboard is built specifically for gamers who crave that crisp, tactile bump with every keystroke. Designed entirely by ROCCAT engineers, it blends precision with durability to elevate your gaming experience. What sets this keyboard apart is its advanced anti-ghosting technology. No matter how intense the action gets, every keystroke registers perfectly, especially on your most used keys. This means no missed commands during crucial moments, giving you a real edge in competitive play. Lighting plays a big role in setting the mood, and ROCCAT's AIMO illumination system shines here. With full backlighting in 16.8 million colors, you get vivid, dynamic lighting effects straight out of the box. Plus, it syncs seamlessly with other compatible devices, creating an immersive gaming setup without complicated configuration. Adjusting volume or toggling lighting is effortless thanks to the mixer-style media controls. The backlit media buttons and volume dial let you fine-tune sound or brightness on the fly. Whether you're muting a call or brightening your keyboard, it's all right at your fingertips. Customization goes deeper with ROCCAT's Easy Shift Plus technology. This feature doubles your command options by assigning secondary functions to compatible keys. Just hold down the modifier key, and you instantly unlock new shortcuts, speeding up your workflow or gameplay. Comfort is key during long sessions, and the detachable palm rest is designed with that in mind. It attaches magnetically, letting you tailor your setup for relaxed typing or aggressive gaming. This flexibility helps reduce strain and keeps you focused on what matters. Built to last, the keyboard features an aircraft-grade aluminum layer for extra strength and durability. The Titan switches are also engineered to keep dust and dirt out, maintaining performance over time. This combination ensures your investment stays reliable, no matter how intense your gaming gets. If you want a keyboard that combines tactile precision, customizable lighting, and durable design, the ROCCAT Titan Switch mechanical keyboard is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and enjoy every keystroke with confidence.